There's someone's right here.
Okay. I'm backing up to see. Hold on. I'm gonna get on the wing. Okay, so they have a castle? Because this door right here is castled.
You don't say.
Stairs.
Had castle.
Did y'all get him? Okay, good shit. Good shit. I took a direct shot from that impact grenade. There's a cap can trap on this door. Careful.
That looked retarded. Like... Yep.
I'm at the castle door.
Are they basement? They're basement.
I see reinforced walls up here. Yeah, they're up here. Smoke is setting off.
Wow.
Roach
Two of them
bombs.
down there.
I bet they're in this room right here.
What?
There's a smoke around this corner here. How many smoke bombs does he have? 3?
3 up.
Yeah.
Okay, he's used 2 of them, so he's still got another. Ow. He's around that corner. There, see, there goes his other smoke bomb. Alright, here we go. There he is, he's right in that door right there. But are you do you have the hammer like ready?
Yes.
Oh, behind. Oh.
Tell me, was in the kill cam.
He's just walking there with it, like holding it straight up.
Yeah.
Oh, he fell. He went down. Why were 2 of them downstairs like that?
He's just
They were rolling.
casually